Yes, it's Saturday, July 26th. Expressions will be at the BFF Expo at Harmony Beach.
We'll have merchandise on sale.
Tumblers, tights, shirts.
You name it.
The gen of them, I don't know unity is strength. We have the hat them full. That is it. For the ladies, we have can I get a wow. And you know what? We have shot glass for the whole of the rum drinker them. All bars. Just check in, man. We have all of the goods then, see? So check in and remember, anything you buy, you get it with a pen marked the bartender. So check in, set in.
Join us, the whole bartender family and the agents family. I go there.
July 26th at Harmony Beach.
You never tell a lie, people. And you don't know from who there, vibes are for there. You know when I carry the boring thing, so boss, we had it. I could show them. All right, see. Wait, I was Sean there.
Sean, where you gone?
Me go down at Harmony Beach. Me go start set up.
No, but
But
that's not
Sean,
until July 26th.
you
Sean,
can't
come
do
here
that,
for bust
Sean.
that. I wish
Sean,
Sean
you know
go.
what that?
Come on, man.
Impose your address. So now you first post the man mother picture up on the internet, bad man.
I'm on the road, Ashley. Food is on the stove when you reach home. The bus man late today?
The man no do nothing wrong, brother. You post up the lady and him post your address.
Serious in Ashley. No snacks before dinner. It's a bad habit you have.
Nothing gonna happen. Cause you start the
Ashley, see you later.
You should have think about that before you do what you do, brother.
Yo, brother. I'm a dog that you chat to.
Brother, me not deaf, you know. Me hear what you say, no bad man. And you not listen.
Yo, chat to him. Yo, my dog, you allow the argument here, you know. You don't call me about this already and me tell you say you're wrong. Then you come call vicious. So what you expect for here?
So hold on. In chat to you about it already. Yo, how we are dealing, bad man?
Yo, me don't tell you already. Anyhow, you go page me, Gus, and me a come page you. You should have think about that before you post the man mother picture. Me don't chat to you, you know. Yo, all this.
Yo, something wrong with that youth, you know, bad man.
Yo, come let them youth and see how much people are get turned over through the internet sitting here in a vicious.
Him and schemers in an argument, brother. And him post up the man mother. So him no expect him and go post back sitting for hurt him, bad man.
Me talk about him youth them there in my yard. And schemers could have make man come there. And I'll show me go say, yo, all his fear in love and war. Him a pray the youth.
Oh. So me go see him have strength for.
Yeah, like the man say something wrong. The man no say nothing wrong. I say it go.
And now him a using youth them to get sympathy.
If him did care about him youth them, he would not wheel badness on social media.
Man, I talk tough. But why am I going to do Migos when he see him, you know?
Chat him a chat, man. Run him a run up him mouth, vicious.
Hit maker. In a real life, though, brother. What got me if the Black Star run away?
You know, say from the other day, I think about it, though.
No comfortably, no bad, man. See it there? Butcher get corn up. And we empty handed. And right now, I not even know who.
See where you come from, man. You know, we might have to go give me this at a time.
No might. We have to give them a talk, brother. Can't just there, so.
A real talk, you know.
Next thing me a pretty deep, brother. How much I could I get involved with to make them come feel?
Well, the man did a move different in the last half year, you know, brother.
Then me not see it, brother. The man I link with some man all gets chopped up.
Eh? And some man we must have firepower, brother. Cause no man now go just give away them guns. So.
Unless some kind of deal make.
Real.
You know what I'm saying? If you make you know who in the link with do.
But I got to rush nothing, fam. You know, say the man don't want to talk about it.
It is. We not even know if the man them want to come circle way up and finish the job in a bad man. We can't wait till we don't know what go on, brother.
Bro, what your style? You see, if we link him now, the cars a jump off. So we have to go and wait little. They must slip up. All we do just keep our ears on the ground. Sorry.
So wait there. King man the link Teflon them.
You know, say I know we no link them.
Feel uncomfortably in a bad man. Nah, I go lie. Cause I feel like if you youth them know so we not strap them I go want move to you see me? You know like how my dog them a move, brother.
Them not gonna know that, man. Remember, so we still have ranking on our side, you know.
You know say if I did for Butcher alone, would have lose the link they do.
Yeah. The good thing is, we still have the link. You have it.
Yeah, how that?
That's a long that link, brother. You didn't remember my voice.
Wait. Secret agent.
Oh, go and whisper.
Wait, this man is there. Yeah, go on.
There, you know. Pass, me a pass. Go and give my brother a link.
Been a minute now.
Really, man. Work, turn up still, you know. But you know, once we in an area, I go pass through.
Yeah man, me know that man.
You know, so me that plan to circle your block tomorrow, brother. And give a page differently.
Eh? I heard us I said that to you. Come and so come see me.
No, man, not real life. You hear what going on with Butcher?